Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got my very last advent calendar unboxing for 2021 and it is the gorgeous Cohorted Advent Calendar. It opens up like this. This is a 12-day luxury advent calendar and it has a value of £463.50. It can be purchased for £98. They currently have an offer on for 20% off if you use code ADVENT20 at checkout. The calendar was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Well, I assume. I haven't had any communication. It just arrived today and I didn't have a clue that they were going to send it to me. So I'm really grateful to Cohorted for sending it to me. But I'm guessing because it's a 12-day advent calendar and on the website it says pre-order. So maybe they're waiting until around now to send the advent calendars out as opposed to other advent calendars that ship them out a couple of weeks before December. I'm not too sure. If you've had your advent calendar, please let me know. You'll find links if you're interested in this for yourself down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. It says Cohorted's 12 Wishes Beauty Advent Calendar was the first of its kind and we are back this year bigger and better than before. The countdown to Christmas will be as exciting as ever, brimming with luxe beauty items tried and tested by our team of experts. Expect your 2021 Cohorted Beauty Advent Calendar to be filled with the bestsellers and undiscovered heroes from our favourite cult and discovery brands. Pre-order now and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter and keep an eye out in your inbox for exclusive discounts, updates and product reveals. Oh, it says down here as well, one lucky advent calendar shopper will receive a Cohorted Beauty Advent Calendar VIP pass to redeem a luxury Diaryofabeautygeek, I can't pronounce it, Diaryofabeautygeek leather cross bag worth £610. If you've ordered this advent calendar, you might be the lucky one to receive that. Wow. So let's take a look inside. It's so beautiful. It looks like it could be like a massive bottle of champagne or wine or something in there. I didn't have a clue what it was when it first came. I was thinking, what have I ordered? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. I was thinking, a tree? Have I ordered a Christmas tree? No. They are all mixed up. So we're looking for number one. Day number one. Up the top here. Oh, they're big, deep boxes. In the box that the advent calendar came in, there wasn't any additional information. And I've had a look on the website and there's no additional information there. Just to give you more information about the products and how much they cost, etc. This feels amazing. It feels like stone. It's nice and cold. This is by Irene Forte, Naturally Scienza. This is a Forte Regenerant Hibiscus Night Cream. Facial step number 8. It contains hibiscus seed peptides, hyaluronic acid, green pea polypeptides, ceramide complex. There's 30 mils here. Gorgeous packaging. And it feels like it's stone. It's really lovely. Formulations shaped by 35 years of research and development, proven to help fight free radicals in a laboratory setting. I'm finding it difficult to read because the writing's in gold and it's been reflected off the ring light. A night cream. Okay. A little dab on my hand there. Whoop. How much have I put? No, it's okay. I normally go a bit heavy-handed. If you've tried this before, please let me know what you think. Oh. It feels really thick and it's spreading really nice on my hands. It just, oh. Wow, my hands are really dry. But oh, that just feels so nice. Just in this little area here compared to the rest of my skin. It just feels so, so nice. No scent, no scent. Wow, okay, so we've got a night cream there. Day number 2, yeah. With worms, more worms. And we have got a Laura Mercier. This is a Rouge Essential. Rouge Ultime. This is a lipstick. Look, it's got one of these sticky things. They do my head in. They do my head in. I can't get them with my nails and I can't open it. I've recently had one of these in a recent Cohorted beauty box. It's either... The name rings a bell. It's either a gorgeous red or it's a sort of rose colour. Oh, got it. What is it? Yes, the red. Yeah, it is a beautiful, beautiful red. Yeah, it's really pretty, isn't it? I would love to know what each item costs individually, so that we know then that when we get a little mini like this, it's because we've got other products in there that are worth like £100 odd or something like that. Do you know what I mean? This is a gorgeous lipstick and gorgeous colour, but for a luxurious advent calendar, it's quite small. So we're only on day number 2. So let's see what the next few days show. Number 3! Down the bottom here. Ooh, it is hidden in there. What is it? We've got a pestle and mortar, multitasking eye cream blended with squalene and peptides, which target fine lines, puffiness and dark circles. And there's 15 mils there. Now we've had a few products from this brand in Cohorted Beauty boxes. We've had hyaluronic acid and we've had some creams as well. I don't think we've ever had an eye cream. You're not going to be able to see anything. I just wanted to try it. It's not a really thick cream. It feels more like a gel actually on the hand, but it is a cream. Can I tell you anything here? No, it just says use AM and PM twice a day, gently pat small amount around the eye area. And yeah, so we've got an eye cream. Day number 4 up the top here. We've got a product by Colour Wow. You might not be able to see it properly because of the ring light. But this is the Dream Coat hairspray. Supernatural spray, magically transforms texture, and there's 50 mils here. Use every 3 to 4 shampoos. Shampoo, condition, towel dry hair, divide into sections, spray each section, and then comb through. Blow dry each section using tension. Dryer heat is required to activate product. I tried this a couple of months ago, but my hair doesn't actually like it. I do love Colour Wow. Colour Wow do amazing shampoos, conditioners. Texturizing spray is one of my favourite texturizing sprays out there, but this particular product, no, I didn't like it, so I'll be passing that on. Day number 5 down the bottom here. We've got a Pro Collagen Rose Hydro Mist, super hydrating serum in mist for dehydrated dull skin, Padina pavonica, English rose, microalgae, hydrates, soothes and rejuvenates, and we've got 50 mils here. If you are a regular subscriber to Cohorted, we received this in, I think it was October's beauty box. I'm not sure whether this advent calendar is like a best of all the products that they've had all throughout the year. They've gathered their favourite products to create an advent calendar. I can't remember if it's mentioned on their website now, but maybe that is why we're seeing repeat products. Day number 6, halfway through. We've got 2 little lipsticks here. These are both by Illamasqua. We have got anti-matter lipstick in Cosmic and anti-matter lipstick in Bang. Oh, brilliant. Oh no, I was thinking it hasn't got sticky on the side. It has. Oh. First up, Cosmic. Let's try my hat. A pretty pink nude there. And then Bang. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I'm sure I've had Bang before, and I thought, same with the Laura Mercier lipstick. It was either a red or rose, but it's not. Like a corally brown shade. Yeah, that's lovely. That is my sort of shade. That's the sort of shade I wear often. So we got 2 little mini lipsticks by Illamasqua there. Day number 7. I can't get it out. And we got something for nighttime. This is This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty saviour for better nights and brighter mornings. And there's 100 mils here. So is this a cream? This might be the cream. Yeah. I've actually got it behind me, I think. I thought I had it behind me. I did have it behind me. I've got a neon one up there at the moment. But yeah. We love things like this in the house. Nice sprays and lotions and potions and things. So I have got one of these. Oh, it's sealed there. I'm going to save that. So you just apply it, maybe have a bath at night or a shower, and you apply it to your body before you go to bed, and it just helps you relax and send you off to sleep. What's it say here? Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish your skin while you sleep. A powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, crami, camelina, stavia oils to nourish, support and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. There's that. Day number 8. Up the top. We've got a product by Elias Skin. This is a pomegranate exfoliating facial scrub with pomegranate seed powder to deeply exfoliate skin, suitable for all skin types. Made with love in Australia, and there's 80 grams here. Now I remember we received this product back in the summer or spring maybe in a Cohorted Beauty box. And yeah, it's really nice, really nice. If I remember, has it got like a rose sort of smell to it? Ooh, get it on my lips. A little bit. I'm not keen on rose smells, but it's fine. But yeah, it feels really nice. It's not too harsh. Some scrubs can be a little bit too harsh on your skin. This one isn't. It does feel really lovely. You're not going to be able to see much there. But yeah, it just leaves my skin feeling super soft. There's that. Day number 9 over here. We've got a product by Advent. This is a Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum, and there's 30 mils here. Yeah, this is nice. I've tried this before as well, combined with the overnight moisturiser. I really like the Advent overnight moisturiser. Quite a pricey brand. So we've got a nighttime serum. Just 10 more to go. 10 more? No, it's not 10. 3 more to go. We're looking for number 10 down the bottom here. We've got a Laura Geller Spackle Mist, Prime, Set and Refresh, and there's 60 mils here. And we had one of these in last month's Cohorted in the November box. This is a really nice spray, but not to be put on your face when you've done your hair and your makeup, because, ooh, there, look. Woo! It's powerful. It is really powerful. I apply this to my skin as a primer, and also if I want to squirt, if I want a little spritz throughout the day, but my hair is off my face and I'm not wearing a lot of mascara. We've got a Spackle Mist by Laura Geller. Day number 11 up the top here. We've got a perfume by Floral Street. This is Ylang Ylang Espresso. Look at the bottle. It's beautiful, isn't it? What does a Ylang Ylang Espresso smell like? I probably have tried these before in samples. Oh my word, that is so strange. Yeah, I can smell the coffee. Oh wow, I don't know why, but that's just brought me back to a hotel in Cyprus. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. It's weird, isn't it, how scents do that to you? That is a sexy evening scent. I wonder if it's unisex as well, because I think if my husband was wearing this, I'd be like, ooh. So yeah, so Ylang Ylang and Espresso. So that's day number 11. Day number 12. Down here, we got Sunday Riley. Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment, and this is full size. We've got 30 mils here. Sunday Riley is such a gorgeous brand. Oh my gosh, I love it. Containing clean, ultra pure, formaldehyde-free glycolic acid to revitalise the appearance of dull, congested and sun-damaged skin without compromising on what matters to you most. Safety, quality and fast results. Good Genes Glycolic Acid penetrates the surface of your skin with tiny glycolic acid molecules, sinking deeper into the skin than any other forms of AHA, to break apart core clogging debris and repair the look of some damaged, congested, wrinkled or dull skin. With just one use, instant radiance and skin clarity are visibly boosted. Perfect for sensitive skin to soothe and calm the complexion, along with skin purifying lemongrass extract. This alone is worth around 80 odd pound. So you can look at this calendar as buying Good Genes, because if you have the 20% off discount, it'll bring it down to around £80. And you're getting everything else for free. That's how I would look at it. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's Cohorted 12-day Advent Calendar. Looking at the products that are on the floor in front of me, we've got some really lovely products there, and you can see where the value comes in for this Advent Calendar. Out of curiosity, because I haven't tried anything from this brand before, not that I know of anyway, the Irene Forte, it's a hibiscus night cream. For 50 mils, bearing in mind this is 30, but for 50 mils it's £139. So it is a pricey cream. There's lots of like little tumbleweeds now, all scattered around in front of me. I just realised something. There's a little label here. It says, "With love, Merry Christmas." On the back, there's a QR code. Scan me to discover more. I am so sorry. Oh, I have only just realised now. But yeah, there's obviously more information about the products and maybe the value through the QR code there. But yeah, never mind. I think if you're not a Cohorted Beauty Box subscriber, this is a gorgeous advent calendar to try some really nice luxury brands. However, if you are a Cohorted regular monthly Beauty Box subscriber, then you might be excited to see that there's a lot of your favourites back in this advent calendar, or you might be disappointed because there's nothing really new there besides maybe one or two products. So I'd love to hear what you think. Please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you to Cohorted for sending this box out to me. Complete surprise, utterly surprised. So thank you for that. And yeah, I hope to speak to you soon. I know I will very soon. So take care. Bye.